Welcome to Shisha Study. Today we discuss about famous organization in India. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching complete video. First question, in which year NABARD was established? The answer will be option A, 1982 July 12 the NABARD was established. NABARD full form, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD full form, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Established year 12 July 1982. Head office or headquarter located on Mumbai and present chairman is Govinda Rajalu Chintalam. Committee recommended for establishment Shivaraman Committee. Very important, Shivaraman Committee. Next question. Where is the head office of ICAR? The answer will be option D, New Delhi. ICAR full form, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Founded or established year 16 July 1929. Head office located on New Delhi and present chairman is Trilochan Mahapatra. Purpose, research on subject like agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fisheries and home science. Very important, agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fisheries and home science. Next question. Who is the current chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO? The answer will be option C, G. Satish Reddy. DRDO full form, Defense Research and Development Organization, established 1958 and head office located on DRDO Bhavan, New Delhi. DRDO Bhavan, New Delhi. Important. Next question. What is the full form of UPSC? The answer will be Union Public Service Commission. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, founded October 1926, head office or headquarter located on New Delhi and present chairman is Dr. Manoj Soni. Purpose, to conduct examination and requirement for Indian civil service like IAS, IPS and IFS. Next question. In which year Reserve Bank of India or RBI was nationalized? Answer will be option A, 1 January 1949. RBI full form, the Reserve Bank of India, established 1935 April 1st. Head office located on Mumbai. First started in Kolkata, then shifted to Mumbai in 1937. First started in Kolkata, again shift to Mumbai in 1937. Very important. Present chairman in 2022, Shaktikant Das. Commission recommended for establishment, Hilton Young Commission. Next question. In which year was Air India established? Answer is option A, October 15, 1932. Air India, founded October 15, 1932, head office located on Mumbai and founder J.R.D. Tata. Present chairman in 2022, Natarajan Chandrasekaran or N. Chandrasekaran. And it is India's oldest airline. Next question. Where is the head office of Indian Airlines? Answer will be option A, Mumbai. Indian Airline, established 1953 and head office located on Mumbai. Present chairman Natarajan Chandrasekaran or N. Chandrasekaran. It provides national connectivity and also it operates under Air India. Next question. Who is the current chairman of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited or ONGC? Answer is Shashi Shankar. Full form Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, established 1956 August 14th, and head office located on New Delhi, and present chairman is Shashi Shankar. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Security and Exchange Board of India or SEBI? Answer is option C, Mumbai. SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India or SEBI, head office located on Mumbai, and established year is 12th April 1992, and current CEO is Madhabi Puri Bush. She is the current CEO of SEBI. Next question. In which year was the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India established? Answer is 2011. FSSAI, it means Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Established year 5th August 2011. Head office located on New Delhi. And current CEO in 2022, Arun Singhal. Next question. Where is the head office of Geological Survey of India or GSI? Answer is option B, Kolkata. GSI, Geological Survey of India, founded in 4th March 1851, and head office is located on Kolkata, West Bengal, and current CEO is Dr. S. Raju. In which year was National Council of Educational Research and Training, it means NCERT, established? The answer is option B, 1961. NCERT, full form National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, established year 1961, and head office is located on Aurobindo Marg, Delhi. And current CEO in 2022 is Dinesh Prasad Saklani. Next question. Who is the current chairman of Central Board of Security Education? It means CBSE. Answer is option C, Nidhi Chibbar. CBSE, full form Central Board of Security Education, founded year 1929, July 2. Head office located on Delhi, and present chairman is Nidhi Chibbar. Next question. In which year was BHEL established? Answer is option D, 1953. BHEL, full form Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, established 1953, and head office located on New Delhi, and current CEO is Dr. Nalin Singhal. Next question. What is the purpose of National Thermal Power Corporation or NTPC? Answer is option A, power generation. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation or NTPC, established year 1975, and current CEO is Gurdeep Singh, and head office located on Delhi, and purpose is power generation. Next question. In which year was Tata Consultancy Services or TCS founded? Answer is option D, 1968. TCS, full form Tata Consultancy Services, established year 1968, and current CEO is Natarajan Chandrasekaran. Head office located on Mumbai. Which of the following companies refine and sell petroleum products? Answer is HP. It means Hindustan Petroleum. HP, full form Hindustan Petroleum, established year 1974, and current CEO is Pushpa Kumar Joshi, and head office located on Mumbai, and purpose is refining and marketing of petroleum products. Very, very important. Next question. In which year was Indian Meteorological Department, it means IMD, established? Answer is option D, May 1889. This is D. IMD, it means Indian Meteorological Department, founded May 1889. Head office located on Delhi. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Bureau of Indian Standard or BIS? Answer is option C, Delhi. BIS, full form Bureau of Indian Standards, established year 23 December 1986, very important, and current CEO is Pramod Kumar Tiwari, and head office located on Manak Bhavan, Old Delhi. Next question. Who is the founder of ISRO? Answer is option B, Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO, full form Indian Space Research Organization, established year 1969 August 15. Head office located on Bengaluru, Karnataka. And present chairman is S. Somanath. He appointed recently instead of K. Shivan. What is the full form of FCI? Answer is option B, Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India, FCI. FCI, established year 1964. Head office located on New Delhi. And present chairman is Sanjeev Kumar. Next question. Where is the head office of Hindustan Copper Limited or HCL? Answer is option B, Kolkata. HCL, Hindustan Copper Limited, established year 9th November 1967. Head office located on Kolkata. And present chairman is Shri Arun Kumar Shukla. Purpose, it related to copper mining and processing. Next question. Where is the Central Tobacco Research Institute or CTRI headquartered? Answer is option B, Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. CTRI, Central Tobacco Research Institute, established year 1947 and head office located on Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. In which year was LIC established? LIC full form Life Insurance Corporation of India. The answer is option C, 1956. LIC full form Life Insurance Corporation of India, established year 1956 September and head office located on Mumbai. Revision question. In which year of NABARD was established? 12 July 1982. Where is the headquarter of ICAR? New Delhi. Who is the current chairman of Defence Research and Development Organization or DRDO? G. Satish Reddy. What is the full form of UPSC? Union Public Service Commission. In which year Air India was founded? October 15, 1932. And where is the head office of Indian Airline? Answer is Mumbai. Who is the current chairman of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited or ONGC? Shashi Shankar. Where is the headquarter of Security and Exchange Board of India or SEBI? Answer is Mumbai. In which year Food Safety and Standard Authority of India established? 2011. And where is the head office of Geological Survey of India? Kolkata. In which year National Council of Educational Research and Training, it means NCRT, was established? 1961. Central Board of Security Education current chairman Nidhi Chibbar. Purpose of National Thermal Power Corporation, power generation. In which year was Tata Consultancy Service established? 1968. Which of the following company refines and sell petroleum product? HP or Hindustan Petroleum. In which year was Meteorological Department or IMD established? May 1889. Who is the founder of ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai. Where is the headquarter of Bureau of Indian Standard or BIS? Delhi. What is the full form of FCI? Food Corporation of India. Where is the head office of Copper Limited? Kolkata. Where is the Central Tobacco Research Institute or CTRI headquarter? Rajmundry, Andhra Pradesh. Last question. What is the year of establishment of LIC? 1956. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.